Have you ever wondered how to join a hedge fund with less than $100,000? Well, in this video, I'll present to you about our silver service, which enables you over time to become a hedge fund investor. We'll tell you about the service. I will tell you about how you could join it and why it could be a game changer in your investment life. First, the disclaimer. This investment is not for everyone. At 5mastery.com, we try to help as many people as possible. But based on regulation, please be aware this investment is not for everyone. As wonderful as it is, make sure that you've done your homework and you're really suitable for this investment. Who are we? We're 5mastery.com. We're fund managers doing automated currency trading, averaging 41% yearly return to our investors. And what we are simply saying is invest with us. That sound you just heard, by the way, is one of our automated trading going off, making some money for us. If you join us in this service, that bell could be dropping some money in your bank account. So what is this silver service? What we found when we fully launched our hedge fund is that it cut off many that we set our company to serve. We wanted to serve many employees, many in the middle class, which is where we were before. But when we properly set up our hedge fund as a regulated fund, this was not possible. Why is that so? Take a look at this article in the Forbes magazine. If you look at that point that is painted up there, you see that in many countries in the world, to invest in a hedge fund, you need to meet some high requirements. First, you need to have a high net worth, which is between $500,000 and $1 million in many countries. You will have to earn about $200,000 annually, and you need to make your initial investment of $100,000. As you see in this Forbes article, only 4% of US households of over 300 million people met that in 2019, and it's similar stories or worse around the world, which is why it's become very difficult for many to take advantage of this fantastic investment vehicle, which we have as a hedge fund, or that others actually have. Our solution, therefore, is to come up with this silver service, partnering with our partners that allow people to start gradually and then gradually gravitate towards the hedge fund. We will make your net worth 1 million or $500,000, but we will help you to get the necessary 100,000 to be able to do the investment. And therefore, you see the requirement there on the screen. You will need a minimum of $20,000. There is no lockup period. Lockup period in hedge fund means that the time that your money is taken and you cannot withdraw from it. For this scenario, there is no lockup period. It means you could add to it and withdraw from it anytime. There's also nothing like management fee, but we do have a performance fee of 25%. Who qualifies? Everyone. What is the goal? The goal is that you turn, as you see in this picture, you turn from silver to gold. How? You achieve 100,000 within 3 years, which will enable you to join the hedge fund. And then you enjoy other higher things that hedge funds give you. For instance, a lower performance fee of 20%, and some other ones you could watch in our videos, as you see in our subscription channel. So we expect you to gradually add some money. We expect you that you will take our coaching, which we offer freely for those who want that, and then we make some money for you. And then when you get to 100,000, you join the hedge fund. Having said that, there are some frequently asked questions that many will be interested in finding out, and we've prepared some here. If you have some other questions, please put it on the comment box, and we will try to answer your question there, or maybe in future videos to be able to do that. First question is, who are the partners in this? Who is the people that allow us to do that? Well, we partner with Fusion Markets. Fusion Market is a low-cost broker based in Australia. They are licensed broker, and they are licensed to provide the service without being a regulated hedge fund, which we use to serve you this. So if the question is this allowed? Yes. Is this legal? Yes. Is it legal in my country? Well, you may need to check that, but when you write to us, we will also let you know how it is. But what we can tell you is that for many countries, it is possible to actually do this. The next question will be, how do I check my investment after I've invested with you? We are very transparent in what we do, and we use the FX Blue service. FXBlues.com is a service where you can publish your trading result. An example is what we see here for a client who joined us in April. We've blotted out the name for privacy reasons, so you could see the balance, you could see the current P&L, you could see how much money every trade we take for you, you could see that transparently. We don't even need to send you any custom report. You could track and monitor how your things are. FX Blue is a third party taking a trading result, which will be your own in this case, and showing it to you to tell you that we're very transparent about this and we're confident about what we do. Let's take some more questions. Why not less than 20,000 to start? Why not 10? Why not 5? The answer is simply the fact that our automation model, this is what it can work with. We've worked incredibly hard to be able to find a way to serve people in this category. 20,000 is just the least amount we're able to work with. What do I need to provide in order to join this service? You provide 1, your international passport, and 2, an utility bill. What is the minimum additional deposit I need to make after I paid the initial 20,000? Well, the initial deposit is 20,000. We expect you over the course of the 3 years to gradually add to it. On the screen there, you will see a model of someone who put in 20,000 and then add 8,400 into that every year. At the end, we'll arrive at 100,000 based on the money we make for them. So you could add money weekly, you could add some money monthly, you could add quarterly. We do expect you to graduate on or before the 3 years to the 100,000 mark. Next question is, can I remain in this service after I've achieved 100,000? Yes, you can, but we'll be surprised if you do, because our recommendation is that if you meet other qualifications, which will coach you to meet, you should be able to join the hedge fund where you enjoy a higher upper performance, and also you will be able to pay a lower performance fee, which is something that's really good for you. I've answered the question why this service earlier, so I'm not going to cover that today. Is this a hedge fund? No, it is not a hedge fund. It is just a basic service that we give to people who do not meet the hedge fund requirement. And that's why we call it the silver service. How do I deposit my fund? Well, once you register in our website, which we will show you in a moment, you can deposit via credit card or via wire transfer, which will give you all the details. Next question, and very important one, is how do I start? Yes, we want you to start, and this is how you start. But before you start, does this thing really work? Yes, it does. What you see here is our performance since we started giving a service to the public in August 2020. You will see there that we've averaged an annual performance of 65%, and that we have returned a total of 140% since we started. If you had invested 100,000 with us when we started, your portfolio would be about 240,000 as of April 2022. Look out for our result in May, which will be published very soon. You can scan the QR code you see on your screen to be able to continuously track our performance. It's always there every month. We don't hide anything, we provide it to you. Yes, this works, and many are benefiting from it. So back to the question, how do you start? Well, it's easy. You go to 5mastery.com/register, or you can scan the QR code that you see there on the screen, and then you fill the detail that is there. We'll take it from there, and you'll be on your way to start in a day or two, as the case may be. Those are our contacts. You can write to us. You can also book a one-on-one to speak with us. We really want you to take advantage of this investment. We're looking forward to having you on board soon. And this will be a game changer for you to be able to have an alternate investment that gives alpha return. My name is Sam Adeguchi. I'm a technical director in 5 Mastery. Thanks for listening.